Come and have a look at this. Starting to look great. We need to talk about mash. Super easy to make mash, right? You just chop up some potatoes, boil them, mash them with some milk and some butter. No, that's not the way to go. I've been using this way now for a little while. It's amazing. It makes the best mash you've ever had. Today, we're gonna make the best mash you've ever had. These potatoes and this oven, that's why I'm sitting on the floor. Let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is get that oven onto preheat. Fan, convection, 170. Let's get these potatoes sorted out. It's just as if we're baking potatoes, so get yourself a sharp knife. These are just some regular baking potatoes. The variety's Tyson. Melody will do nicely. What you want is something a little bit waxy, not quite as dry as Maris. Poke them all over. You don't have to do this, but it will stop them exploding in your oven. Probably do want to do this. Make sure you don't stab yourself. Poke them all over. Let that steam escape as they cook. Do that for all of them. That's it. Nothing else to do at this point. They'll just go in naked, as it were, and we'll bake them for about an hour, maybe a little bit more. Hour and a quarter for this sort of size. 170 fan, 190-ish conventional, and just leave them to it. Let's do that. You have pricked them all right, just double check. You don't want a potato exploding in your oven, believe me. Got them? All done. Middle shelf, straight on the shelf. There's no need for a tray. Give them a little bit of space to move around if they want to, and walk away. Hour and a quarter. Potatoes, all we need to do is just get these out of the oven, and then immediately, because we want these to steam a bit, halve them. And we'll just leave those to steam. So, camera died at this point, we're going to have to narrate this bit. What we're looking for here is for these to be nice and dry, so these have been steaming for about 5 minutes. Get a big pan and a masher. You want to use a masher for this. You can push through a screen, but I don't fancy the cleanup, so a masher will do fine today. Milk and butter, a lot of butter. Get some good butter for this. It really does make a difference. This is just some salted Cornish butter. It's fantastic. Pop that in the milk over a low heat and just wait until that butter's melted. This looks great. All we need is a spoon, and let's get that potato into that warm milk and butter. Scoop it out. Absolutely, let's do all of them. Don't bin these, save them. They're freeze, they're fantastic. Fill them with bacon or something. It'll be amazing. Grab your masher and then just go in and mash through that potato. Now, some people like lumps. I don't. Mash it until you're happy with it. This is the sort of consistency that I was looking for. It's perfect for me. You can let it down a little bit if you want to with some more milk. Quick taste for seasoning. Definitely going to need salt in here and some white pepper. Absolutely fantastic. Don't go crazy or you'll make everyone sneeze. And then just stir through and look for that consistency. This is looking amazing. It's sort of fluffy, cloudy, absolutely great. Again, if you need to, you can let it down with a little bit more milk at this point. But for me, for sausages and mash or for a roast dinner, this is perfect. It looks fantastic. Not gritty, not grainy. This is the best mash you're ever going to make, folks. It's fantastic. Get it made. That's all I've got to say on the matter. Give it a try. This floor is not comfortable. I'm not going to lie. Oh, gosh.